In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-reply in Outlook. If you've been away or set an out-of-office message and you're back now, turning off automatic replies ensures people get your real responses instead of the vacation note. Here's how to do it cleanly and confidently. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Open the app as you normally would. If you use the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the process will look very similar, so these steps should still feel familiar. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any verification your organization requires. Once you see your inbox, you're ready to make the change. Look to the top right corner of Outlook and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a quick settings pane. If the window isn't maximized, you might need to widen it to see the gear. After the pane appears, we'll move into the account area where automatic replies live. In the Settings pane, navigate to Accounts. This section organizes options tied to your mailbox. Select it to open the account-related settings panel. Next, find and click Automatic Replies. In some versions, you might see this labeled as Out of Office, but it's the same feature. Opening it will show whether automatic replies are currently enabled, along with any internal and external messages you might have configured. Locate the switch labeled Turn on Automatic Replies. Slide that toggle to the off position. When it's off, the color changes from blue to gray, and any scheduled time range is canceled immediately. This stops both internal and external auto-responses from being sent moving forward. To make sure the change actually takes effect, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is important. If you close the panel without saving, Outlook may keep your automatic replies on. After saving, you should see the status reflect that automatic replies are off, and the panel may briefly show a confirmation. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see automatic replies under Accounts, use the search bar at the top of the settings pane and type Automatic Replies to jump straight there. If you manage more than one mailbox, double-check the account name near the top to ensure you're updating the correct one. And if any options are grayed out, your organization might control this feature. In that case, contact your administrator. That's all there is to it. Your auto-reply is now turned off, and your messages will send normally again. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.